And now I say, good morning, Kelvin.
Good morning, Guy.
How's things in Cambridge?
It's a sunny day, bright and sunny.
Well, I'm wearing a sweater because it's not that warm here. It's in the 50s. Very unseasonal. We usually have mid 60s, low 70s this time of year. Today's a brisk day, but that won't stop the Guy Cook report. It won't
Right?
stop the show notes. We'll still get those done.
We'll get
As
them there.
always, we have a job, kind of, except we're not getting paid. And on that subject of the show notes, if you always remember the Geyer Cook Report.podbean.com. Thank you for that graphic. If you're watching us on YouTube or in the video, you'll see the graphic there. But the URL is http www. No, I'm doing it wrong. I'm not awake. http // the Geyer Cook Report.podbean.com. And so, having that show note, you'll see the link there that references today's topic, which is this question: what do you do first? What's the very first thing you do? Well, the answer might be the simple: have a planning session. So that if you want to have a good website, you'll start with a good plan. I know that sounds redundant, but it's true. If you want to create a good and solid website, you need a good and solid plan. Ergo,
Yeah.
I built this little guide, and I got this, truth be told, I got this from the Codex for WordPress. So they said for aspiring bloggers or people that want to have a WordPress managed site, they gave them this mission statement. This is going to take you about 20 minutes and a pencil to get done. So when your pencil gets ready, you're going to answer these 6 questions. What am I going to do with this? Who is going to read this? What kinds of information will I be posting? Why am I doing this? Who am I doing this for? And how often am I going to be posting and adding information or adding content to this? So if we take that same measure and we build it into this paragraph, the simple paragraph might be, this website is going to be dedicated to X, Y, and Z and cover the topics of A, B, and C. The audience will be blank, blank, and blank. I'll be adding posts every blank about blank, 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 blank. I'm thinking of the Geyer Cook Report. And I'm doing this because the company needs greater transparency. In order for ourselves to be reputable sources of information, we've got to be able to answer questions. And hopefully we're answering one of those questions today. How does a website get started? To have a good website, you have a good plan. Okay? Simple as that. Have I left anything out?
I don't think so.
Okay. So now we'll do the show.
I was going to say we could briefly put it under the umbrella as a mission statement. The whole,
Right.
All those points.
Right. In fact, in the show notes, you'll see the word mission statement in there. I've identified it as that. Again, codex.wordpress.org. First steps with WordPress is what gave us the brain food for this idea. So shout out, as always, goes to Edinburgh Dusters, the company that likes to clean in Edinburgh, Scotland, but a little minor sneak preview from WordPress.org. So about that company that likes to clean, every day, I swam this morning. I was up late last night with another project I won't go into detail on. And there's Fraser Ramsey. Get her done. She's on Gumtree. He said as soon as he updates his information in Gumtree, the phone rings. And so thank you to Edinburgh Dusters for the graphic that got the Geyer Cook Report off the ground some 116 episodes ago. This is number 116. And because that question came up yesterday. And thanks to Huzza, their software gives us this bigger, wider screen resolution, high definition, that we then record with Screencast-O-Matic, which is a great Windows screen recorder. Thanks to the Friends Just Chatting Facebook group, which is sort of like the home base for Friends Just Chatting on blab.im, which is a live streaming conversation among friends. That's what brought Kelvin to the desktop and said, hey, I could do that Guy or Cook report. And here we are, internationally famous now. If you're listening on YouTube, thank you for listening, and consider a subscription to our YouTube channel, would you please? Or at least give us a thumbs up. That matters to somebody someplace. And we'll have us on the usual suspects, the Stitcher, the Spreaker, because we're audio fed into podbean.com. We're going to be on iTunes and a number of other places because of the people that scrape the content off of iTunes will appear there too. And so on the outset of that, I think it's almost time to say those magic words. Have I left anything out?
Oh, I think we should give the show notes one more plug.
Oh, okay. Yeah. The Cook Report, or the Guy or Cook Report.podbean.com.
That's very good.
Do this show after you've had a good night's sleep. That's all I'm going to say. So on that note, I'm going to say those. I'm going to say thank you to Eileen Smith for helping us out, because she does that time and again. So it's a wrap.